On today's episode of Things We Do for Love, this one you want to get ready. See, I even wore the wifely clothes so that you will feel this story and this gist. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Your favorite girl here, Miracle. This channel is vibes on vibes on vibes, and you don't want to like, comment, and subscribe because the tea in this gist. Sit back, relax. Okay, guys. I swept a village in Enugu state for love. Okay, let me be serious. Now, before you come with all those your advice of women are not supposed to do this, women are, please hold on, hold it. I do not ask you. This the experience I want to tell you about. I consented to it before getting married. I even consented to it before they gave me the ring. I know everything about it. Nobody forced me. So, bro, relax. Relax. GME, relax. Now, the testimony, the story goes like this. Okay, so again, I think the Igbo culture is so beautiful, and there are a lot of things that are unspoken and unsaid about the culture, right? And this is one of it. I think I was more intrigued about this situation than any other emotion. So in my husband's place, there's this thing they do. Why they're in Anambra? Okay, I'm from Anambra. So why they were in Anambra marrying this whole, Asampete, this damsel. Another celebration was happening in his compound. There was the whole band that was there playing stuff. There was food there and all of those. I was like, interesting. Just for this girl, not be smart, So guys, as I'm speaking to you, I'll be inserting like clips of my traditional marriage and stuff, right? So after that, there's a rite every woman was performed. This was dicey because it was very, very strange. So after my trad, it was mandatory. I had to, go to my husband's place and perform this rite. What is this rite, guys? Come closer, let me tell you. Sweeping the compound. I wish I videoed this thing, and that's why I'm so pained, and now I'm very keen on documenting. I think I was so shy that I forgot to video. Like, even when my husband's brother tried videoing me, I was like, cover my face, don't, because I was so shy. And it was such a beautiful experience. So how that works is, after the trial, you go back there, the oldest man blesses you. That's the oldest man in the village, will bless you, will bless your husband, pray for you guys, and welcome you as the wife. And everybody will be like, hey, what's wife? Wanyo. What is wife in Igbo, you guys? Oh, I'm so like Munyanyo, sorry. Munyanya, Biago, Munyanya, Biago, all those sweet things. Everybody will just be like, hey, Munyanyo, hey, I'm feeling myself, Munyanyo. Hey, he's noisy. Bro, the next morning, by 6 a.m. or 7 a.m. like this, all the women have come outside. I was like, these people, they are serious. All the women have come outside. Everybody with broom. They gave me broom like this. I started sweeping. So my own was literally to sweep my husband's compound. I started sweeping. My mother-in-law is like the woman leader. So she was like, just do what your power can. Me, if I was going to do what my power can reach before that one to kill myself. So when you sweep, they'll not come and help you. All the women will now come with their brooms. They will sweep. They'll say, you sweep. Oh. Me, I was sweeping my power can reach. I was shy. I was like, all the women. I'm a Lagosian, guys. Like, that was so strange to me. Gosh, we swept. But I was sweep like maybe from here to here. Also, city girl is tired. City girl. But they came. They helped me, and we all did it together. And when you were now done with the whole sweeping, another party. See, they're my husband village, a light party. They like all these type of things. When they were done, the men will now come outside because you now sweep. When I sweep my compound, we now sweep compound to compound. Apparently, they do it for every wife, right? So after that, you now come and the men will now come out like palm wine and drinks and all of things. They'll not be like, go of Mao. I wish I documented this thing. This is not. I wish you can feel my sweetness. If you're from Enugu and you have experienced this kind of thing, please let me know in the comments, because I don't know if I'm describing it properly, but the men now came out. That's my uncle now. That's my husband's uncle. Who's my uncle now. He's like a red cap chief. Now come out and say, "Una eme go off now. The oldest man will now come now pray for you people again. Everybody will now eat. Everybody will now drink. They will now serve everybody like different things. They like party and enjoyment in that house. So it was very, very strange to me because I was coming from my village where there's fence around my gates. Once we come in, we enter, we lock our door. We don't even know who's beside us. We don't know, like, but the communal living in that place, it was so sweet. I was like, people are just eating things like this from village. Are people not afraid of village people? Are you people not afraid of village people? Because where I'm from, we lock our door. I'm not saying like, are you people are just eating things like that? Okay, me, I follow them to eat things now because that's how they do. This was not the sweet part. When I now finished sweeping, they started giving me money. Upon I was not the only person that did it alone. No. I didn't do it alone. They were just like from that point to when I left that village. I'm so pained I did not document that. They kept giving me money. Anybody that comes to greet me, hey, why you? Where 1,000? Where 3,000? Where 2,000? Even those that don't even have so much, I felt so bad. My grandmother said, my mother-in-law was like, collect it, it's part of the culture. Me, I felt bad to be collecting money from all these. They were just giving me money. I was collecting money. They'll say, hey, when you and again, it's so strange because they'll be hugging them. So I'm like, if I just hey, God. Me, I follow them now. Like, okay, maybe that's how I put it to this village because where I'm coming from. Hey, okay. They give me money. They give me I was collecting their money like this. It's sweet we die. Upon that, they gave me wrapper, they gave me things. I was like, if this is what they used to enjoy by sweeping. All the times I've said to my father's house and I've swept my mother, they did not give me 5 naira for sweep. I will sweep every day, bro. Can I come tomorrow and sweep? My mother-in-law was like, I'm even leaving too early. Like, if I had stayed for like a week or so, that the kind of money they would have given everybody. Guys, they gave me money. Hey, that experience was a very, very amazing one. Oh. It's something I will never ever forget. What is the craziest thing you've done for love? I don't know if this is the craziest thing, but this is such an interesting thing I've done for love. Again, this is the Gang. You don't want to forget to subscribe, like, comment, all those good stuff because we drop things back to back here. See you in my next video. Bye.